How to fix lag in Roblox mobile. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to fix the lag problem, go to the top corner, click on the Roblox logo and then go to settings and scroll down, and now all what you have to do is make the graphics mode manual like this, and then make the graphics quality as lower as possible, and then go back. And this time, as you can see, all what you have to do is go to the top corner again and click on leave right here, click leave, and now let's wait a few seconds. Now all what you have to do is go to the top here on the settings, and now all what you have to do is make sure to go down here and go to settings, go to privacy, and now turn off the contacts from here. As you can see, the communication, make it off. Don't forget to like, subscribe.